Welcome! Today we will be learning how to use the basic features of Mac OS X. In this lesson, we will review how to use the dock, how to use and launch Safari, explore the email client, locate system preferences, and how to discard items into the trash. Whether you're new to the Apple family or a novice at OS X, this tutorial will help give you some of the basic understandings of the most commonly used features. Let's begin by looking at the icons at the top left of my desktop. The Apple icon will give you basic information about your computer. It will tell you about your software versions, take you to the Apple Store, pull up your system preferences, give you options for your dock. The dock is the area on the screen where all of your apps are placed. This option allows you to turn hiding on or off and position the dock in different places on the screen. You can also go into more specific dock details by clicking Dock Preferences. Also, from the Apple icon, you can view recent apps and documents used, force quit, sleep restart and shut down, and log off your computer. Now that you know some simple desktop navigation, let's talk about the dock. As you can see, my dock is placed on the bottom of the screen. To open any item on the dock, just double-click it. I am opening the System Preferences. Here's another place I can manage my dock. I can make my dock large or small. I can adjust the magnification. I can change the dock's location. In this area, I can also choose how to minimize my windows. For example, this is the scale effect. This is the genie effect. It looks like a genie coming out of a bottle. Each application on the dock has its own options. To show the app's options, instead of double-clicking it, hold your mouse down over the app. To delete an item from the dock, you can drag the app off the dock into a blank space. Or you can move it to the trash. To add an item to the dock, go to the Launchpad, choose the app that you want, and drag it on your dock. Safari is the standard internet browser for Apple products. It is the icon on the dock that looks like a compass. Double-click it and your internet browser appears. To the left, you have your bookmarks. To the right, you have your frequently visited sites. And at the top, you have your address bar. For example, you can type www.google.com in the address bar, or you can just type Google and hit enter. To add this page as a bookmark, you click the bookmark arrow next to the address bar, and you can add to bookmark or add to your reading list for later. I'm going to add to bookmark. Choose Add. Notice that an icon is now shown in my bookmarks column. To add another tab in Safari, click the plus icon to the right of the address bar. To delete tabs, click the X at the left of the tab. You can make your view larger or smaller by clicking the arrow box in the upper right corner of the screen. To move back to the previous size, you must place your arrow at the top of the screen because the header is hiding. Then choose the arrow icon again. Moving through tabs is easy. Click each tab or click the box in the upper right-hand corner that looks like a suitcase. It will allow you to view tabs by moving left to right. To see all of your most visited sites, simply click the tile icon next to the bookmark. Let's talk email. Mail is the email client that comes with Mac OS X. You can find your email located on the dock as a stamp with an eagle on it. Notice the email format. To the left, all of your folders are listed. In the middle, your emails are displayed. And to the right, you can preview a selected email. Mail has all of the basic features of email and a few cool features as well. Here are the basics. At the top left of the screen, notice that you have an envelope icon. This will allow you to refresh your mail. To the right of the icon, you have a paper and pen. This will allow you to compose a new email. Here is your basic composed email template. You have your two CC, BCC, and subject fields. The icon to the left will give you additional options. To the right, the paperclip icon will allow you to attach a document. The A will show your format bar or hide your format bar. The icon to the right looks like a mountain, will allow you access to your photos. And then the last icon to the right will give you access to stationery. Now let's create an email. I am going to send an email to Bob because I'm having a party and I'd like to invite him. So in the to field, I will put Bob's email address. In the subject field, it is an invite to my party. Now, here's one of the cool features. All the way to the right, you have a stationery icon. And this icon allows you to use the stationery depending on what your need is. I'm having a party, so I will choose party. The mail client will then compose your email as an invitation. Here's my invitation to my party. This icon to the right that looks like a mountain, this is where you can import a picture. I want to import a picture for my invitation, my flowers. And there, this is the invitation to my party. Once I'm done, I will click the send, or the icon will look like an airplane, and I've sent my email. Now, notice to the top of the screen, you have an icon that looks like a trash bin. Here you can discard any emails. You have a thumbs up icon where you can select messages that are not junk mail. If you need to reply to an email, simply click the back arrow. If you need to reply to all, just click the double back arrow. And to forward an email, click the forward arrow. Use the flag to mark important emails. So there you go. This is the iMac OS X mail client. This mail client is very easy to use and has some great features. This concludes the tutorial for Mac OS X Maverick. Hope you learned something.